Here we go with problem 6. Tom Skinner. Well, first let's figure out what we're trying to find. What is the portfolio's beta? Okay, I know I'm trying to find portfolio beta. So Tom Skinner has 45 grand invested in a stock with a beta of 0.8 and another 55 grand invested in a stock with a beta of 1.4. He has a 2 investment portfolio. What is his stocks? What is his portfolio beta? So off rip, we already know that 45 and 55 equal 100. Therefore, we can concretely conclude that 45% of the investments, or 45% of the overall investment, is invested in stock 1, and 55% of the overall investment is invested in stock 2. All right, so let's put this into a spreadsheet. So we have stock 1. The amount invested is 45 grand with a beta of 0.8. Stock 2, 55 grand invested with a beta of 1.4. So actually, let's move this over. Wow, there we go. So we have our amounts and we have our betas. Now we need to get the percentage of the overall investment for each investment. So overall, the portfolio has a balance of 100,000. Okay. So now, in order to get our weighted percentage, or our percentage rather, we'll just divide the amount invested for the first stock by the overall investment, and we'll do the same for the second stock, divided by 100 grand. So now we have our percentages of overall investment for each investment. In order to get our weighted beta, we then multiply our given beta for stock 1 and stock 2 by the percentage of those corresponding stocks, right? So now let's do that. We have 45% of our investment at a beta of 0.8, and we have 55% of our investment with a beta of 1.4. That gives us a total portfolio beta, if we add those two together, of 1.13. So our answer choice D would be what we want to select.